All right, welcome back. So now we're going to talk more as I enjoy a fresh brewed cup of coffee, espresso. I don't know, I just drink it. Oh, see, my wife just bought a new espresso machine. She's never had one, so she's in there playing with it. So she got me a nice fresh brew of coffee using the espresso machine. It's really nice. Oh, I'm enjoying this. Okay, so anyway, as I was saying, so here, quadratic functions. So we're talking about the standard form here, and what we're going to do is find the vertex of a parabola by using the vertex form. Or excuse me, that should be formula. That's what I meant. So I had the shorthand because I ran out of room. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the vertex formula. Now, the vertex formula comes from the quadratic formula. And I think if you remember several lecture videos before, when we were talking about the quadratic formula, I had mentioned about the vertex in passing, right? So now, if you remember, if the discriminant is 0, then we end up with what? We end up with one, basically we end up with, how do I say this? We end up with 1 point, right? One solution, right? Remember our discussion with the determinant, discriminant, okay? The discriminant tells us how many solutions there are, right? Whether there's going to be 1 real solution, 2 real solutions, or 3 real solutions, or excuse me, no real solutions, right? So, but also, if you remember, it tells us where the vertex is, okay? And the vertex is what? It's that negative b over 2a. It's whatever's left over when the discriminant is 0, right? So that's that negative b over 2a. So that's going to be the key. So the vertex formula is nothing more than just that negative b over 2a. Because remember, think about this way, okay? Another way to look at that formula, the quadratic formula, is it tells you, right, plus or minus, right, if there's a solution. So if there's, it also tells you how, on both sides of the axis of symmetry, right? So, for example, if it opens downward and it crosses at the x-axis at 2 points, it can tell you where those 2 points are located. But if there are no 2 points, like for example, if the discriminant is 0, then there's no 2 points. So you're not on either side of the axis of symmetry. It tells you you're on the axis of symmetry. And the only way to be on the axis of symmetry is if you're at the vertex. I guess that's the better way of saying it. So that's why this negative b over 2a is the location in the x value of where the vertex is located. And that's why we call it the vertex formula. Negative b over 2a is the x value for the vertex. And so if you take the x value and stick it into the function, that gives you the y value. So f of negative b over 2a. So this is the point of the vertex, and that's the vertex. That's how you find the vertex of a parabola. Okay. So anyway, I know that was a long way around describing it, but that is in a nutshell. That is the vertex formula. The vertex formula is x equals negative b over 2a, and then you plug that value into the function to find your y value, and that gives you the vertex. Have a great day.